So they already started the prep work on the bumper. Yeah, there's a little ding somewhere over here, but if they can do it like my last bumper, I don't think that'll be an issue. But here's the car. As you can see, my biggest concern was frame damage, and none on this side. Frame there. He even said we can probably reuse the wheel liners, which is quite a nice surprise. Headlights. Lower engine cover. And that tire is flat as flat can be, but I think I am going to stick with the Derezas. I actually like them quite a bit, but yeah, see here. No frame damage. Quite the pleasant surprise. So they have the door off too. They're going to redo the door. The other one I got from Lisi Parts. And they opened up my clock spring as well. The new one I got. Third one actually at this point, but and I guess they're going to reuse the old handle. But yeah, everything looks pretty good. Interior is still nice and clean. And yep, as people were asking, quarter panel is untouched. And other than a little scuff, which I can't even see anymore, the rocker panel is fine. So looks like we're in good shape. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. So I'm back at Piero's shop. I had to deliver the steering rack and column because they were sent to my house by mistake, but got that all taken care of. So now we have all the parts in place. I have the steering rack and column, passenger door, 2 front fenders, front bumper, and the knee assembly and front subframe. Total cost of everything is $1,660, which pretty much drained all my savings here, but still waiting on the insurance check and hopefully a check from the driver in the accident video. I got the front subframe for free, thankfully, because I had to, I checked it out and I noticed that it was scratched at the bottom from the accident, just some of the pieces where it bolts together, but everything still holds true. It just looked kind of rough. So Alex gave me that for free back at Lisi Parts. And I did buy the knee assembly from them as well, but I had to buy a lower control arm because those bolts usually seize, and they gave me a bit of a deal on that. So total cost of all the parts, $1,660, and thankfully absolutely no frame damage. Just double checked myself with the fenders off. So stay tuned, guys. Again, I appreciate all your support. People ask me to make a GoFundMe, but again, absolutely no obligation whatsoever. Just if you want to, you can. But if not, totally fine. Again, trying to figure out if the biker's okay. I heard that he is seeking physical therapy, and his lawyer has contacted my insurance, which is good. And I also heard that that he potentially can get money in a settlement from my insurance, the driver's insurance, and maybe even some of his insurance as well if he has underinsured motorist coverage. So thankfully, things are looking up for him. I have not heard back, and I can't hear more from my insurance for HIPAA laws, but thankfully he's doing better from what I can tell. Everything's looking up. Just really running low on savings here with the parts I've had to buy. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys soon.